Hi guys, it's me Cheryl H. I'm back again today to film another video. So I look rough. I have my head scarf on, all that good stuff, and I'm here to film a video with you guys today, just showing you how I get ready. Of course, I'm not at work, obviously. I'm here filming this video for you guys. So I've already brushed my teeth, washed my face, took a shower, done all the other stuff. So it's kind of like a get ready with me video, but kind of not, because I'm just showing you how to take my hair down in the morning. So it's kind of like and it's not really morning anymore. It's like 12 noon, so sorry. I kind of slept in, kind of, not really, but anyway. So this is how I do my hair. So as you see, I have a scarf on my head. I'm gonna take it down, if I can get the bow untied. So this is how it basically looks, and then I have my little wrap cap on, as you see right here. I'm gonna take that off too. So I basically, when I do my hair at night, I use this wrap cap right here, and I use this scarf. Basically, kind of hangs in the back. It's like the scarf that the guys wear or whatever, but whatever. I don't know where I bought this. I have so many scarves, and I get the wrong scarves, and I don't wear them, and now I'm wearing it. So, anyway. So the only thing I did to my hair yesterday was I washed it and used all my Jamaican black castor oil products, and then I blow dried it and flat ironed it like I normally do. And then as far as like oil, I use this oil in my hair. It's by Tropic Owl, 100% natural argan Jamaican black castor oil. I put this in my hair like I always do. It's like kind of a conditioner, and I wash it out. But the thing with this is, guys, if you buy this, just know that you can wash it out all you want to, but it never really comes out. So when I blow dry my hair is so oily, and some people might get grossed out by that, like, oh my god, I want this oil in my hair. Trust and believe though, this oil will be out of your hair within 2 days. It doesn't last in my hair that long. It lasts for like 2 days in my hair, then I have to re-oil my scalp again. So if you're one of those people that doesn't want a whole bunch of grease in their hair and your hair to be greasy, I suggest that you don't even really put, I would say, either don't use it or just don't use a whole lot. I think sometimes I get carried away and I use a whole lot of this stuff. So I get carried away and I end up using like a whole lot of the oil in my hair. That's probably why I have so much. When I wash it out, it doesn't really come all out. So if you're someone, like I said, that doesn't like a lot of oil, I would say don't use this. I would say don't use a lot of it, or just don't use it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair. So as you can see, my hair is being combed into like place right now. I can't really see the mirror, so if I lean out a little bit, I'm sorry, because I can see, but it's kind of like dark over there. So I always comb my hair down into like place. I don't have a part. Sometimes my part will fall right into place too. Sometimes it doesn't. It just all depends. But I still have not gave you guys a video on how I wrap my hair with no pins, but I have to do that. I know I keep saying that, but, and then sometimes I'll take a part like this and I'll make my own part, and I'll just take my hair and I'll just comb it down. So let me see, let me show you guys. So alright, I'm gonna actually, sorry if I'm turning to the side and you can't see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna actually take my comb, like you see, and I'm just gonna part my hair down, and then you'll see that. And some people don't like to have parts that come straight down the middle. Some do. I usually don't, but hold on, sorry guys. Next time I'll have my camera facing against the mirror. So then you just brush your, or comb your hair down. I said brush. This is like my favorite comb, by the way, guys. This is all I ever use. So you will, and your hair falls pretty much right into place. It's not gonna, it's always gonna fall right into place. Sometimes, yes, it'll fall right into place, and then you'll see. And you can part your hair any way you want to. Doesn't have to be the way that I did it. That's just the way that I do it. But if you don't want to do it the way I do it, you don't have to. It's totally up to you. You can do different stuff to your hair, like leave some down, leave some out, just however you want to. and I just brush it into place. Okay, this is basically how it looks because I combed it down some. You can do, like I said, my part is in the middle. You can part it any way you want to, because once you wrap it with no pins in the morning, you just keep wrapping around, then you just comb your hair down. And what happens once you comb it down, it just falls into place. You can style it however you want to, just comb it out the way you want to, part it how you want to, whatever. So it doesn't matter. And I'll show you the back of my head. So you see how the back looks. Okay, so that's basically how it comes out in the end. You just comb it down, and like I said, nothing was used in my hair besides this, just this bottle. That's all I used in my hair. And yep, you keep poofing it back, and that's basically how it goes. And you can play around with your hair as long as you want to until you get the look that you want, which is what I'll probably do. Just play around with it until you like it. And I could also change my part. If I wanted to part it a different way, I could part it like not down the middle. I could do something different. So really, it doesn't really matter, really. Sorry guys. I could just I could do this where it's over some more, and see, it's all what you want to do. It's all up to you, but it's always this one piece of hair that's gonna drive me nuts. So sorry guys if you can't see me. So basically this is it. This is how I do my hair in the mornings. And of course, if I was going to work right now, I'd be rushing because I'd be like, oh my Lord, my hair gonna look a mess. But this is it. Just keep it simple. And again, like I said, there's always gonna be a piece of hair that's not gonna look the best. So you can just, like how I'm doing right now. All right, so this is how it goes, boys and girls. And this is how my hair turned out. This is how my hair turned out. Ooh. And that's a wrap. So enjoy your day, guys. I'm off. I'm done with this video. Again, guys, get to know this girl, Shara H. Subscribe to my channel and get to know me, and have a great day.